If you have your notebook, please look into your notebook and tell me where we have stopped. Today we are going to solve the problem. Please have your calculators with you. Where we have stopped last class? Priya, at least you will be more active. Can you please tell?
Yes, I was just looking at it. We were discussing the Shannon visualization model.
After that, we have
That
started with
probability.
smoothing techniques. We have started, right? This example I have shown, right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. This is showed, ma'am.
Yeah.
This
So last class we have discussed about smoothing. What is smoothing is if you are finding any of the bigrams or trigrams for the given sentence, and if any of the particular bigram or trigram is not present for the given sentence, then the probability for the entire sentence will be 0. So in order to avoid that, we are using a smoothing technique. Okay, there are various types of smoothings are available. So in that smoothing technique, we will be explaining how to assign a probability to get out of the problem of 0. Okay. So that is a problem of 0. Okay. So we have taken this as a training data. Please make a note in a notebook. This is a problem. I have a training set. I have four sentences with ending with denied the allegation, denied the report, denied the claims, denied the request. Okay. And I have a test data having two sentences, denied the offer and denied the loan. Okay, so these are all the bigrams or trigrams. These are the trigrams or bigrams. Can you tell me?
trigrams.
Trigrams. So please make a note in your notebook. I have a training set having these four sentences and I have a test. I want everyone to make a note in your notebook. You will be getting problems related to this. And I have a test data having two sentences, two trigrams, denied the offer, denied the loan. If I want to find the probability of denied the offer given the denied the, whether it is present in the training set, offer given the denied the is present in the training set, the given trigram. Is this present in the training set? You will be checking in the training set. If it is this denied the followed by offer is present in the training set, please respond morning first star. Is this present in the training set? Somebody told some. No. So what will be the probability?
0.
0. So offer given the denied the is 0. Similarly, loan given the denied the, what will be the probability? I have two test data. I want to find out the probability for the two test data to check this. But when I give the first trigram, denied the offer given denied the, I am getting a probability of 0. Second one, I have given loan given the denied the. What is the probability?
0.
0. Why? Because it is not present in the training set. So here the test data will be assigned the probability of 0. And so if we how to solve this problem. Okay, so how we can solve this problem? By using a smoothing technique. If bigram or trigram not occurring in the training data, the idea of smoothing is to compute the trigram. Okay, having four words. See here, last class I have shown all this. So denied the, I have four sentences. Denied the allegation. Have you all noted down the sentences? I will not go back again. Have you all noted down the sentence in the notebook? Yes or no? This problem, this is a problem. Please make a note in your notebook. You will be getting these problems in your T1, in your quiz, everywhere. Training set having four sentences, test data having two sentences. Have you all noted down? I will not go back again for the same slide. Yes or no, students?
Yes, ma'am.
I want everyone to respond. Manasa, have you noted down in your notebook? Yes or no? Okay, so now denied the allegation. I have four words. Denied the allegation is occurring 3 times. So I am finding out how many times the word is occurring, count. So denied the allegation is a word which is present in my training data occurring 3 times. Denied the report is a word occurring 2 times. Denied the claims is occurring 1 time. Denied the request is occurring 1 time. Okay, so denied the attack. I am taking this example. Take this: denied the attack, denied the man, denied the outcome. You please write. You write denied the allegation occurring 3 times. Denied the report occurring 2 times. Denied the claims is a trigram occurring 1 time. Denied the request is a trigram which is occurring only 1 time in my corpus training data. So totally how many sentences I have? 4 different sentences occurring how many times? Total of how many sentences I have? Denied the followed by word 7. So denied the allegation is occurring 3 times. So the word given the denied the, so allegation given denied the 3 times. Claims given denied the is 1 time. reports given the denied the is 2 times, request given the denied the is 1 time. So totally 7 times, 7 sentences are there in my corpus. And you please write in the other side, denied the attack, write the trigrams, denied the attack, denied the man, denied the outcome. You please write this. Don't write denied the offer and denied the loan. If you want, you write that also, but they have explained with this example. Denied the attack. In the test data, you write these 3 sentences. Denied the attack, denied the man, denied the outcome. So how many times these 3 words are occurring in my corpus? These are the test data. So if I want to find the probability whether denied attack given the denied the is present in my training data to find the probability. Attack
No,
given
no.
the no, a man given denied the is present in my training data to find the probability.
No, ma'am.
No, please unmute yourself and keep it so that you can answer it immediately because I'll be asking questions now. Outcome given the denied the is occurring in my corpus in my training data to find the probability for my test data. Denied the outcome.
No, ma'am.
No. So that's why there is no red bar here because these 3 red bars are training data, which is allegation is occurring 3 times. So highest bar, report is 2 times, claims and request is 1 time. So they both are equal. Attack, man and outcome, there is no red bar because they are not occurring any of the times. So their probability is 0. So how to get the probability for this by using a smoothing technique, we'll see now. Okay. So what they are doing is, the idea of smoothing is I can take some probability mass from each of these 4 words, which is occurring 3 times, 2 times, 1 time and 1 time, and assign to the words which is not seen in the training data. So which are all the words which is not seen in training data? Can you tell me? What is idea of smoothing is I can take some probability mass from the words which is seen in the training data and which is assigned to a words which is not seen in the training data. Can you tell me which are all the words which is seen in the training data and which are all the words which is not seen in the training data? Which are all the words
Allegation, report, claim, request.
So I have to steal. So from where I have to steal and where I have to give? Steal means I have
From
to take.
training to test.
That is from which words I have to steal and to which words I have to give?
From allegation.
Tell me, allegation, report, claims and request, I have to steal some probability mass. So how much I have to steal? I have to calculate now. Steal some probability mass and I have to give it to the words which is not present in the training data. That is steal from some probability from the 4 words and assign the probability mass to other 3 words in my data. Okay, so here, see here down, why this allegation at the top, some red bar is there? Can you tell me? I have stolen this percentage of probability from allegation, this probability from report, claims and request, and I have given to attack, man and outcome. See, now attack, man and outcome has some bar, little bar. Okay, so how much we have to steal? This is an example I am showing. So exactly how much we are going to steal from the existing training data and giving to the words which is not present in the training data, we will be calculating now. Okay, this is the idea behind it. Okay, so see now it will become instead of 3, 2.5, 1.5, 0.5, 0.5. It is not exactly 0.5 will be stolen from everything. It may be 0.75 in one. It can be not stolen anything from some other thing. We will see based on the calculation. This is the idea. Taking some probability and giving to the words which is not having any of the occurrences, so that when you multiply this, there should not be any 0. Okay, so how much they have stolen here now? If you see in this example, randomly they have taken 0.5 from each of these words and given to the other words. So totally I have 2. Okay, so I have reduced to 2 and I have 2 as another for this 2 probability. Okay, so I have taken the probability mass of 0.5 each from 4 words, which gives a 2/7 that will be distributed among the 3 words, attack, man and the outcome. Okay, this can be distributed in multiple ways. So how it is distributed, how much we want to store, that is depends upon different ways. Okay, so we will see some possible ways of distribution of this stolen mass. So I have taken, so how much I have stolen here? How much I have stolen here?
2, ma'am. 0.5 from each.
From each. Okay, but not exactly it will be 0.5. For example, I am showing you for understanding. Okay, so how this can be distributed in multiple ways. We will see some possible ways of distribution of the stolen mass. Okay, there are different methods are available. The first method, please make a note, it is a Laplace smoothing. Okay, the first method to steal some probability and give it to an unknown words. The first method, there are 2 methods we are going to see. One is Laplace smoothing, other is Wood-Turing smoothing. The first one is Laplace smoothing. Please write Laplace smoothing. Down you write the other name of Laplace smoothing is add one estimation smoothing. Add one estimation smoothing. Please make a note. They may ask Laplace smoothing or other name add one estimation. Don't think add one estimation means what, don't think. Okay, it's other name for Laplace smoothing. Okay, so what here they will do is the simple method is Laplace smoothing is also called as add one smoothing. Here present as if, okay, I have seen every n-gram or pretend. Okay, you have to pretend. What you have to do? You have to pretend as if all the words I have seen every n-gram at least once. That's why it is called as add one smoothing. So if the word is not present also, I will pretend as if I have seen. If the word is not present in the data set also, I will pretend, I have to act as if I have seen the word at least
One time.
one time. If the word is present one time, I have to pretend as if the word is occurring
2 times.
2 times. Good. So there will be any 0 words present in the corpus now?
No,
No.
ma'am.
No. Why? Because I am pretending. If there is no, if the words is not occurring in the corpus, I am pretending. That's why it's called as add one estimation. I am adding 1 to the existing count. The word is not existing in the data. I am pretending. I am acting such a way that the word is seen at least once in the given data set. So if the word is present once in the one time in the data set, it will be pretended as if it is seen
2 times.
2 times. If the word is present 2 times in the data set, I have to pretend, according to Laplace smoothing, I have to pretend as if it is seen
3 times.
3 times. This is called as Laplace smoothing. So if you add, that's why it's called, other name is called add one estimation. I am adding 1 to the existing count. If the count of the word is 0, I am adding 1, so it becomes 1. If the count of the word is 1, I am adding 1, it becomes 2. If the count of the word is 2, I am adding 1 to become 3. Okay, so pretend as if we have seen each n-gram, each word one more time that is actually did. So actually 0 times means we have to pretend as if it is 1 time, one more time actually. So if it is 1 time occurring, 2 times 3. Okay, that is what I have to do. Just add 1 to all the counts. So here what is the MLE, normal MLE estimate for bigram? What is the formula? WI given WI minus 1. We have seen, right? What is the formula? Maximum likelihood estimate. Probability of maximum likelihood estimate given a word WI given WI minus 1. Previous word is given. If I want to find the next word, what is the formula? We have seen, no, and we have seen the examples also, right? What is the formula? Please look into your notebook and tell what's the formula we have seen, and we have seen some examples also, right? What is maximum likelihood estimate to find the bigram given WI minus 1, count of WI
followed by WI minus 1.
Count of WI minus 1, comma WI divided by count of
WI minus 1.
WI minus 1. This formula is already we have seen. See here, if you want, I will show you again also. We have seen here and we have seen some examples also, right? Here. Whether we have seen here or not. See here, this example, whether we have seen. Probability of WI given WI minus 1 is equal to count of WI minus 1, comma WI divided by count of WI minus 1. Maximum likelihood estimate to find the probability of the bigram given this. Whether we have seen or not in the last class, last to last class.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So using this maximum likelihood estimate here, they are using the formula. See here. So maximum likelihood estimate is given C of WI minus 1, comma WI divided by C of WI minus 1. So add one estimate, what they are doing, they are adding 1 to the numerator divided by V, where V is the total number of words. This is a formula for add one estimation. Please make a note. C of WI minus 1. Please properly you write it. C of WI minus 1, comma WI. Here I minus 1 is there. I think it is not properly written. Something happened. Okay, please make a note. C of WI minus 1, comma WI divided plus 1 divided by C of WI minus 1 plus V, where V is the, that is adding 1 to the numerator and divided by the total number of words to normalize it. Okay, that is V. Okay, so this is the formula for add one estimation. So if you want to find the effective bigram count, yeah.
Could you zoom in a bit?
Wait. That's why my system is a bit slow.
Okay,
wait. 1 minute. That's why I am doing, but it is not responding. That's why I left it. I'll repeat the formula. You please write it. C of Wi minus 1. This is I minus 1. Here minus 1 is there. Okay, I am trying to zoom it, but something is happening for my system. That's why it's not doing it. But I'll zoom it here. Now here Wi minus 1 is there, pa. Okay, C of Wi minus 1 comma Wi plus 1, because add 1 estimate, divided by C of Wi minus 1 plus V. Okay, so the final formula, the effective bigram count, C star you have to find out. Okay, C star of Wn minus 1 comma Wn divided by C of Wn minus 1, or I minus 1 you can write, or N minus 1 you can write. Here you have to write comma C of Wn minus 1, that is I minus 1 comma Wi, or Wn you can use it. C star of Wn minus 1 comma Wn divided by, see, if I do something will come here. 1 minute. Here comma you make it Wn minus 1. This formula you make a note. So when you are doing it, I'll tell you. C star of Wi, if you want, you write I minus 1 comma Wi divided by C of Wi minus 1 is equal to plus 1 in the numerator by plus V in the denominator, where V is the total number of words. This is the effective bigram count C star we have to calculate at the end. Okay. Have you all noted down this formula? Can I give the problems now? We'll see the problems, how to find that, steal some probability from the existing data and how to give it to others. Can we see now? Have you all noted down this formula? If you want, you can write it as N minus 1, or you can make it as I minus 1. We put a comma here, C of N minus 1 or I minus 1 comma Wi divided by, if instead of N you make it as I, because we are used with the term I. C of I minus 1 plus V, that is adding 1 to add 1 estimate, adding 1 to the numerator divided by the total number of words. Okay. So next one, here we have seen this table, where we have seen, any idea? This table we have seen, right, where we have seen, any idea?
MLE.
MLE for restaurant corpus, right? So why I have shown this table is, in this restaurant corpus also, see, we have a probability. Many of the probabilities are 0. Okay, many of the counts are 0. Yes or no? In this table, many of the counts are 0, right? Yes or no? Many of the bigram counts are 0 or what? So we can use this smoothing technique to make this, steal some probability mass from the existing data set and to make this as a non-zero value. So they have done something and they have made this. They have stolen the probability mass from the existing values and they have given the, distributed the probability mass for those words which has a count of 0. That's why, see here, this table will have some values. Wherever the blue color is there, that is stolen probability mass from the existing thing. Okay. So this is actual formula. That's what we have seen. Okay, add k estimation. So what is called by add k? So we have seen add 1 estimation. The same formula, they have made it as a generalized formula and they call it as add k estimation. Okay, instead of add 1 estimation, you can add 2 also, 3 also, 4 also. Generally it is add 1. They have made a generalized formula as add k estimation. So add k estimation, the formula is C of Wi minus 1 comma Wi. Previously what I have added in add 1 estimation?
Plus 1.
Plus 1. So here generalized plus V. So but here in generalized way, I add k estimation means plus k. Instead of 1, I made it as k. And here I have multiplied with k into V. For example, if it is an add 1 estimation, what I have to substitute for k value?
1.
1. If I substitute 1, whether I am getting the same formula which I have showed you? Yes or no? This is a generalized. You are not getting it? See, this is a generalized formula. Instead of add 1 estimation, they made a generalized formula as add k estimation. That is, instead of 1, I have adding k. That k can be 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 or 5, anything what is given in the problem. Similarly, in the denominator, they are multiplying k into v. So this formula, if I substitute, if I want to make as add 1 estimation, what I have to substitute for k value?
1.
1.
One.
If I substitute 1 in the k value, what is the formula I will get it? Can you tell me? C of wi minus 1 comma wi plus
1.
1 divided by C of wi minus 1 plus 1
B.
into b. So b. So whether we got the same formula as add 1 estimation?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So that's a generalized formula. That's why they call it as add k. Sometimes they may add 1. So generally they will add 1, minimum 1 they should add, so that 0 will be make as 1. Sometimes if you want, you can make it as add 2, add 3, add 4, add 5, any number. Okay. So that give for the existing data. If it is 0, if it is add to estimation, it is seen 2 times. So if it is one time occurring value, if it k value is 2, it is occurring 3 times like that. So this is a generalized formula for, please make a note, add k estimation, where k value based on the k value given in the problem. If it is a add 1 estimation, k value is 1. If it's an add 2 estimation, k value become 2. You have to substitute 2. If it's an add 3, it is k value is 3. Okay. So before going to good Turing smoothing, so we'll finish off this add k smoothing problem. Okay. So have you all noted this formula, right? Can we solve the problem for add k estimation? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, I will show the problems 1 minute. Oh, problems, I have it here. 1 minute, you wait. I have it in. So you have 4 sentences: denied the allegation, denied the report, denied the claims, denied the, what are the training data set? Denied the allegation is how many times it is occurring in my corpus. Take the same example. Denied the allegation is occurring how many times?
3 times.
3 times. What is the next word?
Reports.
Denied the report how many times?
2 times.
2 times. Denied the claims how many times? Please be louder. Denied the
time.
claims 1 time. Request how many times?
1 time.
Attack how many times?
0.
Denied the attack 0. Denied the man?
0.
Denied the what is the last one? Outcome?
Outcome 0.
0. So from where I have to steal some probability mass and where I have to give? From which words I have to steal and which words I have to give?
From allegation, report, claim, request, you have to give to attack man outcome.
Okay, I have to steal something and I have to give something. So how much I have to steal, we'll see here using the Laplace transform. Can you all able to see the screen, students, here?
Yes, ma'am.
So take this, add 1, please write add. So now I am giving add 1 estimation. So using add 1 estimation, a problem will be like this. Using add 1 estimation or Laplace smoothing, use Laplace smoothing with k value as 1 to find the probability for the unseen data set trigram, like denied the attack, denied the man and denied the outcome. Given the training data sets are denied the allegation with 3 times, denied the report with 2 times, denied the claim with 1 time, denied the request with 1 time. So totally how many sentences, total sentence I have? How many total sentence I have?
7.
Oh, 7. Okay. Okay. See now here. So probability of allegation is how many times it is occurring? See, write like this. These 4 are training data. You write allegation, report, claims, request like this. You write. Can you all able to see the screen, students? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
you write
Yeah.
denied the allegation, denied the report, denied the claims, denied the request. You write 4 sentences and you put a bracket like this. These are all training data. And in my test data, what are the sentence trigrams I have? Attack, man and outcome. So these 3 are test data. You write first this column, you fill it. This is given in the problem. Attack, man and outcome. You write all the 7. Okay. So what is the probability? Find the probability for each of the sentence. Allegation, how many times it is occurring? Please respond. Otherwise, I will not
3 times.
explain. 3 by 7. So what is the probability out of how many words? How many sentences? In my
7
training data. In my training data, out of 7 sentences, 3 times allegation is occurring. Report.
2 times 7.
Claims.
1 time.
Request, you please unmute and keep students so that everyone can answer. This is an interaction session only. Attack,
0
Zero.
times.
man,
0
Zero.
times.
0 times. Outcome,
0.
0.
0 times. Okay, so this is my second column. So first column I wrote all the values, all the words, training data also, test data also. And when I add to this probability, the first 4 probability, when I add, what is the probability I should have? I should get 3 by 7 plus 2 by 7 plus 1 by 7 plus 1 by 7. I should get a probability of
1.
1 the training data. Okay, test data is not occurring, so it is 0. So now we'll apply this formula. So okay, so what is the formula? Can you tell me the formula? Count of wi minus 1 comma wi. How many times wi minus 1 comma wi? Denied the allegation. Allegations Nibbandi denied. How many times is occurring?
3, ma'am.
That is count of wi minus 1 comma wi is, that is how many times denied the occurring after allegation, that is allegation appearing after denied the 3 times, right? So 3 plus what I have to add. This is what is the k value given in the problem?
1.
1. I told it's the k value as 1. That is add 1 smoothing. So plus 1 k in, that is k into general formula only you take it. So k plus k. So what is the k value? 1 divided by c of wi minus 1. How many times denied the is present totally?
7.
7 times.
7 plus what is the total number of words I have in my training data?
7.
7. Okay. So what will be here? So can you tell me what was the answer you will be getting? This n is the total number of words in the corpus. Okay. So what is the value you are getting? 3 plus 1 divided by 7 plus 7.
2 by 7.
2, that is 4 by 14. Okay, 4 by 14 or 2 by 7 you can take it. So C star, if I want to effective bigram count, C star, what you have to do? C star is equal to divided by, I have given shown on formula, right? Effective bigram count. If you want, I have to go there and I have to show. Wait, I will show that. Effective bigram count formula. What is the effective bigram count formula? 1 minute.
C
Count
star
of
into
and wi.
Yeah. So
K.
for effective bigram count, what you have to do, that is you have to find C star is divided by the total number of words. Okay. So how many words we have? 7. So divided by 7 you make it. So C star by 7 is equal to 4 by 14. So what will be your C star? That is effective bigram count.
2.
2. Similarly for reports, can you calculate C star? You have to calculate the effective bigram count. See, this n is the total number of words and v is the total number of in the corpus. Okay, n is the total number of words in the corpus and this n is the total number of words present in the given. Here both are 7, I guess. How many words totally we have? Total number of words?
7.
Denied the allegation, denied the report, denied the claim, denied the request, denied the attack, denied the man, denied the outcome. So how many words I have denied there? Totally denied the how many I have?
7.
C of wi minus 1, right? So 7. This is the total number of words present in the training data. This v is the total number of words present in the training data. So can you calculate for reports? What is the C star we are getting? If you want, I'll show the bigram count, the formula C star. I think I keep. C star is equal to this divide by 7. Okay, Wn minus, that is Wi minus 1. Deny the how many times occurring totally, deny the allegation, deny the report, deny the claims, deny the offer, deny the outcome, deny the man, deny the attack. Totally 7 words. That's why I am dividing by 7 here. So here this I have, this is the value what I am getting, 2 by 7 by 14 I am getting it here. So C star effective bigram count C star Wn comma Wn n minus 1 comma Wn is divided by 7 is equal to this. So we have to multiply the 7th that side. You will be getting the C star effective bigram count.
Ma'am,
C star,
what is this ratio and Laplace smoothing technique called, ma'am? The numerator is effective bigram count and then the total.
C star that is divided by this total. That's why total I am multiplying in the other side.
Ha, ma'am, this ratio is called anything, ma'am? Just Laplace theorem we will call.
This is called as Laplace, that is effective Laplace smoothing using an effective bigram count. That is, I have to find the bigram count, right? For
Okay.
trigram, how many words I am taking? How
2
many words
words
I will?
from the
That's
count.
why it's a effect. That's why it's a bigram C star. From this thing, I have to divide this to find the count. How many? What is the count exactly that will be having it? Wait, I'll show it here. See, actually I have a count of 3. Now by applying Laplace smoothing, I will be having a count of 2 here. I have stolen 1 from here. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
You finish off all 4, then I will tell you. So report what is the value you are getting. C star you have to calculate after finding this Laplace. You have to find the effective count. Effective, what is the count? To find the frequency. This is a probability to find the frequency, divide by the total number of words to get the frequency. So the frequency of number of times the allegation occurs 2 times now instead of 3 times. Report, how many times? Report, how many times you are getting?
$1.5, ma'am.
Claims?
1.
Request?
1.
Attack?
2.
Attack? Zero times means it is, we have to pretend as if it is occurring k times. So what is the k value given? Add k
1.
smoothing. 1. So you do that.
.5 for all the testing data.
Okay, can you now tell me how much I have stolen from each one? How much I have taken from the training data totally, you tell me.
1.5.
1.5 I have taken from the training data and I have given to test data having 3 words. So from that 1.5 from which and all words, how many, what is the frequency I have taken?
From allegations 1, reports 0.5 and claims and requests 0.
0. I have not taken anything. So previous case I told that I will be taking 0.5 from each, but it is for your example I have told I can take from something, I cannot take from something, but I have to steal something and I have to give here. So here the final conclusion you have to write like this. See here. The probability of the last 3 test data has now become 0.5, which was earlier 0. Why? Because we have taken some existing PMD, that is we shift from the existing PMD to the new probability mass. Okay, so that the none of them are 0 now. Okay. So now can the same problem can you solve using a k value as wait what is the k value I have here? I'll check it now. K value as 3 and tell me what is the value you are getting. Add 3 smoothing technique. See, n is the total number of, please make a note, n is the total number of words present in the training data. So totally how many sentences I have in my training data, students? Since both are 7, don't get confused. N is the total number of sentences present in the training data. How many sentences I have? Please tell me.
7 sentences.
7 sentences. V is, see, I have written here. So, and we add V to the denominator. Denominator is the number of unique words including training and test data. How many unique words I have in using including training and test data is my V. So, how many unique words I have? Tell me. Deny the allegation is one word. Deny the, please tell me, reports is one word. Deny the claim is one word. Deny the request is one word. Deny the attack. Deny the man. Deny the outcome. So, totally how many unique words I have including training and test data?
7 words.
7 words. So since both are 7 here, don't get confused. Please, if you want, make a note. Such way I see at the top I have written. So we are adding 1 to all the probabilities seen and unseen in add 1 estimation, and we add V to the denominator. What is V here? Number of unique words including training and test corpus. Where N is the total number of sentences present in the test date, training data. Please make a note properly. The same problem can you do with add K? What is the K value I told? 2 or 3?
3, ma'am.
3. So what it will be? 3 plus what I have to add here? Allegations. For allegation alone, anyone repeat along with me? 3 plus
3.
3 divided by
7 plus
21.
7 plus 7 into 3. Don't write 21. 7 into 3, right? Then you write 21. Then only you will count. You will not do a mistake. KV, right? What is the formula? What is the formula? General formula. C of Wi minus 1 comma Wi plus K divided by C of Wi minus 1 plus K into V. So K is 3. Add K smoothing. This is a K value they have given us 3. So what is a C star you are getting effective bigram? How much you are taking stealing from there and how much you are giving? How much you are taken? Allegation. C star.
C star is 3, ma'am.
You are getting 3 for allegation.
Yes, ma'am.
For report, claims, request.
2.522.
2.5 to attack.
Ma'am, 2.5 means it's not taking, it's giving, no, ma'am.
No, because I am adding 3 here, right? I am assuming that 3 times it is report is appearing, right?
Yes, ma'am.
I am not, see, initially when it is appearing 2 times, I am taking as 1.5. I am taking something. I am adding 1, so I am assuming that it is 3 times. So in that I am taking 0.5. Okay. So now I am assuming that it is pretending as if it is 3 times appearing. So from that, can you tell me how much? So you assume that allegation is appearing pretending as if 6 times, 3 plus 3. Report is appearing 5 times, claim is appearing 4 times, request is appearing 4 times. In that case, what will be your attack, man, and outcome? What is the outcome, man?
1.5, 1.5, 1.5.
Okay, you are getting 1.5 each, and you
Yes.
will be getting okay. Actually, it should be add 1 smoothing only because 0 words will be seen 1 time. So that the probability when you are multiplying, whether the probability will be giving 0. 0 words when I have seen, when I pretend as if I have seen 1. So when I multiply the probability of the bigrams, whether we'll get 0 or we'll get some value.
Some value.
Some value. So you for that concept only we are going for add 1. For problems they may ask add K smoothing. Generally add K smoothing, add 2, add 3, add 4. Okay. But our main concept is 0 has to be pretended as 1 time. Okay. 0 pretending as 3 times is no use, right? You are increasing the frequency.
Yes, ma'am. Except for the first word, for all the words, it is increased itself.
Yeah, that's why we are pretending 3 times. The word is actually attending 1 time. We are pretending as 3 times. We are increasing the number of times. So that whichever words which is not seen in the training data also will have some probability. Okay, using this technique. Okay, so this is a Laplace technique. What is the name? Can you tell me the names? I think this problems alone, this page I have put it in the Teams. Okay, can you tell me what is Laplace smoothing? One more time, last 1 minute is there. Can you please refresh that Laplace smoothing? Why we need smoothing? Why we need smoothing?
To overcome the 0 problem.
Overcome, that's why see here it is written to overcome the 0 MLE estimate. Okay, see add 1 estimation, language modeling, smoothing, simple estimate, MLE estimate, if you have a probability of 0, to overcome that, you are going for smoothing. Their first method is Laplace smoothing, is also called as add 1 smoothing. Generally, they made a formula as add k smoothing. So k value, whatever they are giving, you substitute and you pretend as if that number of times the word is occurring. If the word is occurring one time, you pretend as if plus k times the word is occurring in my corpus. So that whichever word is not occurring, so based on that pretended thing, you assume that what is the probability you are stealing from there and giving here, so that when you multiply the probability, it should not be 0. Okay, so next class we'll be seeing the next method called good Turing smoothing. Okay, that is a simple problem. Then tomorrow we'll solve fully problems based on this. Okay. Okay, students, you can leave. Can you decide and tell me when you want the quiz? Soon.